if we consider this program which we wrote for our previous, we were using statement object, okay, and for that statement execution we were using this type of a query. Okay, for query, this works definitely. There is no problem with this. You have already tried it, you tested it, it is working, it is updating, and you must have written similar code for similar type of query for delete and insert as well. Everything is working. There is no problem with that. The only problem is that writing this type of a query sometimes may go wrong. Okay, when you're writing concatenations and when you are trying to maintain this single quotes every time you want a string value, and every time you don't have a string value you are not providing single quotes, that might be a bit confusing. Okay, even for experienced developers that might be a bit confusing. Okay, and another problem is that sometimes you just miss it and then it gives exceptions, and then debugging that exception might be very time consuming. There is one more problem. This type of query, it is a hack prone query. Okay, hack prone in the sense this query can be hacked. Okay, there is a famous hacking technique called SQL injection, and with the help of SQL injection this type of query can be hacked, and anyone who is using SQL injection in our web application, let us say, where this type of query is written in the background, they can get the data. The application is actually not giving you the data. It is not expected to give the data, and you can write some kind of SQL injection and it will reveal the data which is not expected as per the behavior. And that this is hackable query. This is not a very good query. Okay. And so Java has introduced another type of interface called as prepared statement. Okay.